Hi guys, I'm in the salon today, so it's a little noisy with the blow dryers. I'm going to do an ombre with Jazzy Tonight and Maiden of Grape. And then I'm going to do some rhinestones. Okay, I don't do rhinestones very often because I'm really slow at it. But this is actually a dental bib that I like to put out on my table because, I mean, it's not very cute, but I like to lift up the flap and put my ombre brush underneath it and squeeze it, and it doesn't get on anything because there's, you know, a plastic liner. So that's just a little tip. Alrighty. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my Maiden of Grape. I'm going to put it up here, close to the cuticle. Okay, and then I'm going to use Jazzy Tonight. And I'm just applying it. Oops, there's something on there. Now see, that's why these dental bibs are great to have. Okay, now I'm going to put that in the lamp. I'm just going to show you a fast way to do it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You want to make sure all your bristles are clean. I sell this brush for $9. And I've used it a lot, you can tell. But when I do this, I'm only going to use about probably that much of the bristles. If you go deep into the polish, you're going to have lines. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that in a second. This is my new tip stand. It looks like a genie bottle. I'm calling them genie bottles. Anyway, if you want one, let me know. I've got gold and silver. They're $12. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my second coat. And I'm going to apply Jazzy Tonight down here. Okay, now this is where the little trick comes in. So you take a little of both colors. And then you blend them together. And this gives you the color in the middle. Then you take a long striper brush and pick that up and put half of it over and half of it under that line in the middle. Okay. Okay, now you want to take your brush, and I'm going to show you just, oops, there's a little fuzzy. You just drag it like this, back and forth. Whenever you get too much on your brush, just wipe it off. But you want to go up into the color and down into the next color. See how easy that is? You want to make sure your brush is clean. And sometimes you might want to just use a very light touch. Maybe there's just one little spot you want to get. Just move your client around where you need them. Okay, now I'm going to take this color down and up and down. Wipe my brush. And now down here, okay, now I'm going to put this in the lamp for 30 seconds. And we're not going to need any more of this color, so I'm going to wipe it off my palette. Okay. Now I'm going to apply my shiny no clean top coat. Wave gel colors are just popping. And most of them cover in one coat. I'm going to take some of my hyperchrome powder and I'm just going to get some out of the that's all I want, just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to put that in the lamp. And then I'm going to show you some fun things you can do with the rhinestones. And I have some little three-dimensional flowers and leaves that I had made for me. They're called Little Bits of Clazy, and each piece was cut individually and a little tool was put in the middle to make the leaves come up. You can turn them over like that if you want to, or you can put them on the nail like this, which I like to do like this. I've had these for several years. I had an artist friend make some for me and I was going to sell them, but I never really got it off the ground, and now all these crystals are just the best thing in the world. I decided to start using some of my little flowers with them. So this gives you guys some ideas. Alright, so I'm going to take my thick gel. You can use builder gel, or you can use there's gel glues out there that people are buying now. And I'm just going to take enough so that I can put my little clazy piece on. Now I'm going to put it on this way because I love how they stick up, because they look so real. Okay. I mean, they don't really look real, it's just that they are so cute. I like people to see all the beauty in the stones and in the little flowers. Okay, now I'm going to get a leaf. Okay, and I'm also going to use Shiny Top Coat from Wave Gel. Oops. No, I need to put some more on there. That one's a little too big anyway. And they can tuck underneath also, which is another really awesome thing to be able to do when you're using these. I love it. It's looking really cute, guys. I think I'm going to move it over a little bit. Okay, I like how that's looking.